Valley News Live 10 at 10 continues with No Wait Weather.
So our super moon once every 69 years battling a few clouds tonight?
Well, actually, we get supermoons more often than that. There's going to be three months in a row with supermoons.
Nice.
It's really when the moon is closest to the Earth, when it's in its full moon phase, that we call that a supermoon. And this is the second of 3 months in a row. There'll be another one next month. Just not as close as this supermoon.
Excellent.
Oh, you want to know something about the forecast?
Maybe.
Yeah.
We
Let's
heard
take a
something
look
about-
at that supermoon. We got
No.
video. Michael out there capturing this lovely shot. It was big, it was glorious, it was bright, and very super, if I might add. All in all, it was a beautiful night. It's been a beautiful day, and it's almost like having, 3 work days a week and a 5-day weekend or something like that. This November has been something else with temperatures tonight of 44 degrees. Our average high this time of the year is 38. So even as we head to bed tonight, temperatures are warmer than average highs for many locations. It is in the mid-30s out to the far east where you see the blue shades here on our temperature contours. 34 in Wadena. We have 46 in Langdon, 48 for Devil's Lake, and 39 this hour in Wahpeton, Breckenridge. Still 43 in Thief River Falls. Clouds passing through the valley now, making it a little more difficult to see the supermoon. And out to the west, we have a few rain showers skirting along the border. These stretch all the way down to near Jamestown, although not all of that likely reaching the ground. You may get some mist, but where we are likely seeing raindrops falling on your head is in Towner County, Rock Lake, down towards Candu and pressing in towards the Langdon area right now and on to Walhalla after that. So this is skirting along the international border rather quickly. We'll continue the trek. Big storm system that we saw last week spinning in the North Pacific out there. And it's from this area where our big storm system we've been advertising for the last several days, bringing a change towards wintry weather, will come from, but the storm hasn't even formed yet. So there's a lot left unanswered, but we'll get you to the latest. First and foremost for tonight, the rain skirts along the border by midnight, moving into northwest Minnesota and passing through there where it may become moderate to heavy in isolated locations. We could even see a few drops in places like Devil's Lake, Detroit Lakes, Fargo, as well as the Bemidji area going through the overnight. Now, as we go towards daybreak, the clouds are out of here. The wind will be from the west. We'll start our day with temperatures in most locations right around 40 degrees. Your lunch hour looks pretty good, except it will be a lot windier, and the wind will be from the northwest on our Tuesday. Temperatures in the 50s. In the afternoon, mid-upper 50s south, low 50s up north for a very delightful day, and the wind dies down later in the afternoon for probably the nicest time of the day, and plentiful sunshine in the afternoon as well. Starting out near 40, rising up into the 50s for the afternoon. Your hometown forecast, Sisseton, a shot at 60, 50 in Devil's Lake, 54 for Babe the Blue Ox out in Bemidji, 52 Thief River, 54 in Detroit Lakes. Now, here is a snapshot of a computer forecast model, and there are a number of models that we're looking at in the long term, 4 to 6 of them, and each of them has a subtly different solution. This is one of them. By Friday, storm moving into southern Minnesota, snow on the backside with the cold air, could be moderate to heavy. A lot of wind thanks to all the isobars with this system. There's going to be changes, but significant snow is possible depending on the timing and the track of this storm system. Some will get rain and wind as well. And again, it peaks on Friday, so if you have travel plans, stay tuned to the forecast right here. Craig uploading a photo of that supermoon amongst the trees who are missing leaves now late in the fall season. Wednesday, we're still in the 50s and above average. Thursday, a day of transition, still mild for this time of the year, but a chance of rain moving in. By Thursday night, it could be changing over to snow for some of our counties, especially north and west. Friday looks like a long and blustery day with that potential of 40-mile-per-hour winds along with snow. And yes, it's been a nice stretch in November. It really has.
It has.
Yes.
Yeah. Look at those 30s afterward.
Yeah. It happens
Yeah,
this
I know,
time of
this
the
time
year.
of year.
Yes, it does.
Thanks, Saj.
You bet.
An estimated